Today's classrooms are more diverse than ever. How can teachers connect with every student, other teachers, and school administrators to unlock their full potential?
ReTeam empowers educators to bridge the gap. Our platform fosters collaboration and knowledge sharing, allowing teachers to leverage each other's strengths and become a fully expressed version of themselves.
ReTeam celebrates the unique backgrounds and teaching styles within your faculty. This fosters a richer learning environment where every student can thrive.
ReTeam goes beyond the classroom. Our research-backed platform helps build a stronger school community by fostering a sense of belonging, trust, and open communication among teachers and staff.
Our platform builds a measurable and sustainable improvement in sense of belonging and communication in just 8 weeks, and helps you establish a new normal in 16 weeks.
This leads to a more inclusive learning environment where everyone feels valued and heard.
ReTeam for Teachers, for a more connected and inclusive learning experience.
Visit reteamforteachers.com to learn more.